In this video, we'll be explaining how to cut the top loin section of the bluefin tuna into Saku. Cut the front section toward the head about 8 to 9 inches. After this first cut, cut more uniform 4.5 to 5 inch sections until you get within 6 inches of the tail end. Next, we will be removing bloodline from each section. After the bloodline is removed, we'll remove the skin. Place the skin off, bloodline off sections onto a tray with an absorbent liner or paper. Always transfer from one sanitary surface to another sanitary surface. Create level sections to separate the akami, red, from the chutoro, red and pink. Try to get an 8-ounce portion from the crown or top of the loin. Cut above the sinew line straight across to get the remaining akami section above and chutoro section below. Do this for all the top loin sections. Once akami and chutoro are separated, cut each section into 8-ounce portions. Remove any blemished parts, blood spots, thick membranes, or bruising. Do this same step for the chutoro sections of the top loin. Cut along the angular sinew section to remove the thicker membrane along the chain. Once all portions have been cut, keep refrigerated and on absorbent paper until further processing. If the meat is in direct contact of a solid surface, like metal or plastic, it will begin to oxidize and color. So it is important that you have some kind of absorbent paper between the contact of the meat and the surface.